Are you wondering why you aren't getting more leads from your website and what you're doing online? Here's why. So many home care businesses don't actually have a way to collect leads unless somebody is trying to contact you. All right, so the first thing is when we go to our website, our home care website, all right, we need to have a lead magnet, all right? A lead magnet is a resource that somebody can download if they give you their name and email address. So here's the thing. There are so many people already going to your website, checking you out, but they're not ready to contact you just yet. If they wanted to contact you, then they would. But there's so much traffic that you're already driving to your site, but you're not capturing them as a lead. And that's the misconception, is that if you're only capturing people's information, then when they want to contact you, then you are missing out on 80% plus people that are coming to your website, the shoppers. They're looking around, they're not really sure, all right? So we wanna create a powerful lead magnet that's going to be a great tool. Now, to learn more about utilizing and creating a lead magnet, you can download my lead magnet, all right, called Home Care Leads. You can get this at thedigitalchamps.com/leads. And that's gonna help you kind of explain more at how you can drive traffic, all right, how you can get more leads from your website by creating the same thing that I just told you to go get. So it's a great example of what you can create for your own home care business. Now, the second thing, all right, in getting more leads to your website is driving traffic to said lead magnet, all right? So that's a huge part of this, all right? If we're just posting on social media and putting our website and saying, go schedule a call, contact us, contact us, contact us, contact us. Oh my gosh, your social media is not a billboard, all right? So hopefully you're not doing that, which is great. Hopefully you're creating amazing content. And that's what you do, is that you wanna drive traffic to the website through the lead magnet. So if you create a powerful lead magnet, and there's a number of different topics that you can create on, and again, I go into this into the ebook, all right? But then the other thing with driving traffic is you can create video content, all right? And this video content is going to be helpful to drive traffic because all video content should have a CTA, which is your call to action. And so instead of saying, hey, call us today, call us today, call us today, you can now drive them to this lead magnet that's going to capture their information, which is then gonna in turn add them to your newsletter so that you can continue to stay in touch with them, continue to stay in front of them, and you're providing a great resource, so then you're becoming the leading expert because you're providing great value for them, all right? So having a lead magnet is a huge, huge aspect if you want to generate more leads online. So in review, lead magnet, all right? We want to capture their name and email address, all right? We don't want to do anything more than that because statistically showing that people don't want to give out more, and even just giving their name and email address is roughly around $10 in their mind from psychology standpoint. That people feel like they're giving you something if they're giving your email address. Now, phone number, now you're really pushing it, all right? And that's the whole concept of this, in really creating a lead magnet that's just their name and email so that you can then nurture them and build a relationship with them. All right, and then we're creating great content on social media with different people that we're talking to. What's great is if you have a really successful lead magnet too, you may be on the phone with somebody and they may want it. And you can say, hey, we actually have a really great lead magnet that helps with this. Would you like us to send it to you? And so now you're like, oh, wow, this is great. So you can use a lead magnet like this as a great tool when you're talking with someone on the phone as well. So go out there, make a lead magnet, drive traffic to it. Want to generate more leads online? Check out my brand new free ebook, Home Care Leads, so you can get started today.